Little Blue Truck, written by Alice Shirtle and illustrated by Jill Montgomery. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said chicken, and her chicks said peep. Ma said goat, Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse, quack went a duck, beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled Dump Truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. There goes Duck. Room went the dump. Around the curve, he saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were stuck down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump as he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Then hen came flapping with a cluck and a duck. And everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to toe and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at his muscles. He's strong. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the truck was free. Thanks, little brother, called the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride. Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, boo, beep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. The end. Please press the subscribe button below to sign in to JoJo's Story Time for Kids. Thank you. Bye.